Hey everyone, this is Chris from Chris and Cami Photography, and today we have a couple of very simple one light headshots to do for a longtime client of mine. Let's go have some fun. The majority of clients that I shoot for do their headshots indoors, especially because they want to avoid any delays or problems with inclement weather. But this particular client wanted a very simple, clean outdoors look. So we're just going to go over and set up outside of their office and do a couple of cool photos for some new attorneys who have joined their team. And that's one of the favorite things about my job, is getting out and meeting new people. So let's go say hi and see what we come up with. Well, since there appears to be some sort of an accident on one of the bridges leading up to my client's location, I'll go ahead and describe a little bit about the setup we're going to be doing today. It's an outdoor photo in a wooded area right next to their property, and I picked this location because it has some really nice open shade that I could really do this as a natural light photo, but remembering that I'm going to be coming back over and over and over again to photograph new employees and new attorneys as they join the firm, I needed some way to keep it relatively consistent. Remember, the leaves are going to change over the course of the year, the different seasons. The background's going to change. Sometimes one of the attorneys will be available in the morning, sometimes they'll be available in the afternoon, so I had to be able to do the shoots on a flexible schedule. So I needed some place that was going to be relatively consistent. And in addition to that, if I just shot it with natural light, an overcast day would have a little bit bluer tone to the light. Bright sunny day is going to have a nice warm tone to it. So again, all those variables, you try to eliminate a lot of that. And one of the ways to do that is to incorporate a little bit of clean light, what I call clean light. So I'm basically going to be using natural light for the background. So I'll be setting my Nikon D5 and 70-200, my favorite setup for doing headshots. And I'll also be using the new SB5000 as my off-camera flash. I'll fire it through a little 24-inch softbox, and it's not really designed to light or illuminate the scene. It's basically there to clean up any of the green color cast from the overhead trees, clean up any bluish color cast on an overcast day like today, keep the light clean, keep the white balance clean and consistent from shoot to shoot to shoot throughout the year. So I'll have that set up, and I'll be using the WR-R10 that connects with the D5, D850, D500, any of the newer Nikon cameras, and allows me to control the light, change the light settings from the camera. Whatever you do, don't laugh if I get run over standing here in this street.
I'll make sure you won't get run over.
Good smile, I like that. Here we go, eyes right here, 1, 2, and 3. Excellent. Say Julie has stinky feet.
So I work with her every day, man.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. I don't want to get you in trouble. Nice, good smile, 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Turn your chin a little bit this way. Nice, good, 1, 2, 3. See, now he's all relaxed. I like this. Good, great smile, 1, 2, and 3. Excellent. Turn your body a little bit more for me. Nice, very cool. Yeah, you nailed that one. Let's turn the other way.
You said blue steel? Yeah.
Blue steel, yeah, we can do that. You got right into that pose. I think you've been practicing your poses.
I'm waiting for this.
Got any good restaurants picked out you want to go to?
I don't know. A buddy of mine lives in Charleston, so I'm supposed to hang out with him a little bit. So.
He'll take you to some good eating. Turn back this way again. Nice, very good, perfect. I like that. That was a good pose. Nailed it. Well done, sir.
Thanks, sir.
All right.
All right.
Here you go. I see I warmed up.
Have you been over here warming up your cheeks?
Yeah. Ready.
Yeah. No, you were good. You were good. Yeah, perfect. Let's turn this way. Love your hair. That looks great. Perfect. Good. 1, 2, 3. And rotate your body a little bit. Yeah. Pull your jacket on that side just so it's nice. There you go. There you go. Got it. Cool. Beautiful. Tilt your head a little bit this way. Yep. Got it. Cool. 1, 2, and 3. Excellent. Are you married?
No.
Oh, this is like your married pose. You're like, honey, did you take out the garbage? Nice. 1, 2, and 3. Let's can we push our hair back on this side and pull it forward on that side? Yeah. Nice. Just relax 1 foot again. Cool. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. And let me see, can you go like this? I almost got some blackmail. Doggone it. Awesome. Well, you guys want to take a look?
Yeah.
Didn't hurt too bad, I hope.
No, it's fun. It's like prom all over again. Oh, that's nice.
Perfect.
Oh.
You're like,
That's
we're gonna
not
stop
bad.
right there.
Expected.
All right, so
Those are good.
That's not as bad as I thought it was. I was like, I don't like taking pictures.
you did great. Very natural smile. All right, guys, so there you have it. I basically wrapped up the shoot. You got to see some of that, but I'm just going to show you a little bit of behind the scenes. I'm just right here by this intersection. But right here is this beautiful, nice little green background, and right back here you can see open shade. So I'm getting some nice natural light that's coming in, and then I'm just filling in with this little softbox, and that's helping to clean up any of the green color cast from the overhanging trees, and just giving you a little catch light, a little pop, just a little kiss of light to really make the image stand out and to continually make it consistent throughout the years as the seasons change. So hope you enjoyed the shoot, and I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys will subscribe and give me a quick thumbs up down below. More videos coming soon. Thank you.